ReElement Technologies recovers rare earth elements and critical battery metals from recycled batteries, permanent magnets, black mass, and mined feedstocks. Very interesting for Marion, Indiana. Okay, we are at the old RCA building, and this is a new company coming in, ReElement Technologies, and they gave the quick presentation at our luncheon, and we're just taking this little quick video because there's not a lot right now in the process. So they are going to be hiring people.
This is great. They recycle.
Recycle batteries.
Batteries, magnets, black mass, and mined feedstocks. I understand all that.
So this is a new business in Marion, Indiana, and they will be hiring when the production is up and running.